Right, good morning. It's 5 o'clock in the morning on a Sunday morning in September. It's a bit damp, but it's not raining, which is the plus side. We had thunderstorms forecast, and there was a little bit of lightning in the early hours this morning, but bollocks to that, road closed. And got to get over Folkestone for a 7 o'clock check-in, get on the Eurotunnel, head over to the continent, meet up with a mate who's already there, halfway through somewhere towards Luxembourg, and then a few days pissing about in Luxembourg, which is cool. We're all like, oh, what sort of time of the morning do you call this? But it's kind of exciting. Like every work day I wake up when my alarm goes off, but of course if it's a non-work day I'm up way before my alarm goes off. Crack on, it's a holly bob. Definitely not had enough sleep because I'm too excited. Yay! Anyway, this is the boring bit. Hour and a half or so to the Eurotunnel terminal. The great thing about the Eurotunnel is, especially on a motorbike, which is smaller, is that even with the cheapest ticket available, some 5-day standard break or something, budget, whatever, the cheap option, the non-flexible, no whistles, no bells, whack it all on your club car points, and even with that, if you turn up early, there is the chance that you can get on the earlier train. The downside to that is that there's 5 of us, and inevitably the last one on runs the risk of not being able to get on the same train as us, but it's never been a problem. Right, who we got? We got Tony up in the front on a Ducati. We got Glenn in number 2 on a Ducati. Behind me is Trevor with his full beams on a Ducati. And heading up the rear is Wayne on a Ducati. And I'm in the middle on a Triumph Tiger GT Pro 1200. Hop on out. Well, I love my bike. Ah, bugger. Close the railway track. There is no chance of sneaking out of that one. So it takes some dodgy back roads in the middle of the night. Ah, bonjour, monsieur, dame, mon petit Toulouse. Righto, we are in Givet, on the French-Belgian border. Kind of went through France, boring. Dips into Belgium, dip back into France, dip back into Belgium. Stops in Givet, which is right on the border, for some frites and a really rubbish burger. But hey-ho. Grubble do. Right, we're going to try and get to Vianden along the route du Tabac. Tucked in the middle of the pack at the moment. But, touch wood, we have missed all the rain, which is rather fab. It was forecast for thunderstorms early this morning in Blighty, but managed to miss it. The cows are all recompense though, so they know something. I think rain is forecast around here a bit later, so hopefully we're going to stay in front of the wet weather and get to Vianden later this afternoon, evening. About 3.5 hours, so that'll probably be 3.5 hours. Might stop for a break on the way. I swear a car just flashed at me saying this should indicate that there's police up ahead, but obviously not. Well, this is nice. Wallerland. Oh, ain't that quaint? I remember this. Drove the Chevy to the levee, but the levee was dry. the road again. I just can't wait to get on the road again. Well, it's raining. Look. Slightly, but hey, stick your waterproofs on, crack on. We've just stopped at the Nurburgring. Again, we've missed the open track session. Someone privately has got it again. Seems to be open at 5 o'clock today, but the forecast for 5 o'clock today is yuck. Very yuck. So, stopped at the Cockpit Cafe, had a bit of coffee, and now we're going to try and head north-ish. Different route, haven't been down this road before. There's many roads, and we're hoping to find the elusive bend we found a couple of years ago, maybe 3 years ago, 2 years ago, and I popped back earlier this year, still couldn't find it, so we're just backtracking various routes that we've done in the past and detours to get to those parts of the route, and hopefully we shall find the bend. Oh. Had a slight squeaky bum moment earlier. Went for an overtake with 3 cars, and first car and the second car were so tucked up tight with each other, didn't give me any space to dart in between them. Yes, thank you. And then of course there was oncoming traffic, which meant I couldn't get in. I had to blat it through instead. Much to the dismay of the lads behind me, who thought I was going a little bit too quick. Can't help it. Anyway, came to Luxembourg for fantastic roads, and spending the day in Germany, trying to miss most of the bad weather. Tomorrow we're following Kev from Kevcam. Hobbit Hut. This place is called Hobbit Hut. Very pleasant though. I'm in the valley. Oh, look, sunshine! Holy shit! Chase the sunshine, that's what we've been doing today.
child. The old ones with the ball.
So we've made our way to the Nurburgring today. Now we're heading back. We managed to find that elusive bend, the one that I've been looking for years, but of course the cameras weren't rolling. It's now absolutely chucking it down, so we're caning it back as quickly as possible. Quick whiz through Prum, and then head back to Vianden because it's getting a bit soggy out here.
Bonjour, bonjour, mon petit filous. Or shall I say, guten Morgen, mein Herren und mein Damen. For today, on our journey to Luxembourg, we haven't ridden in Luxembourg again. Today we're back in Germany. The weather seems fairer this side of the border, so going this side of the border. I think hopefully it will clear in the afternoon, so in the afternoon we'll head back down through Luxembourg. So I'm trying something new today. I'm following a friend who is a member of IAM's Institute of Advanced Motorcyclists. Anyway, we've all taken the piss out of him for donning his high-vis and doing his advanced course, when actually he's a far safer rider than me. And that's what it's all about, really. God, I sound old. So I noticed yesterday I'm up in the front. I'm leading, and I'm really having to put the shackles on because I've got a big group. Say a big group. There's 6 of us in total. So I've got 5 people behind me, and a bit of open road like this lovely sweeping bend. I would be caning it through here. Oh, I'm doing it again. Doing my race line, as in not cutting the corner, but cutting close to the corner, hitting the apexes, doing a bit of dynamic braking, and whatever that thing is that when you power into the corner and then touch the brakes as you hit the apex, so that you get a bit more compression on the front and a bit more grip on the front to get you around that corner and then power back out of it again. But instead, I get that if you're racing, if you're trying to go quick, but the way he was explaining it to me about this Vianden malarkey is, it is all about riding safe. Not necessarily being a better rider, I don't think, because better is, what's that word? You know what I mean? It's like, it's in the eye of the beholder. But safer, definitely. So here, we're coming up to a right-hand bend. It's coming out to the left, which doesn't make sense to me because an oncoming car would naturally cut the corner. An oncoming speeding car would naturally cut the corner. And it covers it quite wide. So yes, you're seeing more of the road and you have the opportunity to come in, but I don't like this being so close to the right-hand curve on a left-hand bend in Europe. I suppose I've still got a weird thing about left-hand corners. I'm paranoid about them since coming off in Luxembourg a couple of years ago. See, so all the way out here, which alright, I can see the oncoming traffic quite clearly, or lack of, but it's still not natural to be that close to the side. I don't like it. All you need is a bit of that pea shingle gravelly shit that they put on the edge of the road to help with drainage. A little bit of that spills out, but I get it. I get that it's far more controlled. You know, we're not caning it. We're relatively doing the speed limit. Interestingly, he's not looking for dry bits of road either. So when I'm riding, I'll go for the dry patch. It's just natural. You don't know what the wet's got on top of it. Where were you yesterday? This is what happens. No one decides where we're going to go, so we end up stop-starting and babbling again. I see, babbling. Right, let's get back to this opposite race line riding, which is safer. Do everything opposite to a racer, which is not safe. Yeah, I guess. I'm sure a racer would argue that it is safe, but there are safer ways to ride than racing. I use racing in the loose terminology, or just racing on one's own, racing around rather than racing against someone. But it does throw me that, see this corner coming up here, it's a right-hand bend, He's going to go on the left hand side. I can't from here see if there's any oncoming traffic. There is oncoming traffic. Doesn't really move over. Now, conscious that there's oncoming traffic, but he's comfortable in the fact that that oncoming traffic's going to stay on its side of the road, and that's what doesn't sit with me, because I'm the oncoming traffic, and at times I drive and I ride, as these people attest to, like a bit of an arse. The lines in the middle of the road mean nothing if there's no oncoming traffic. And sometimes there is oncoming traffic which is out of my control. Not all the time. I wouldn't say reckless, but they would. Well, but no, we all make mistakes sometimes. But and it's good to actually have the feedback. They all take the piss out of me and point out my flaws, or flaw in this instance, and I don't mind that, because with hindsight, the combined experience that is here is older than me, and they're all still alive, so they're doing something right. It's like a cookie trail. I don't know where we're going. We haven't been on this road, although it is on the Eiffel Park. Naturel. That's in French. It's Eiffel is French. The tower, but it's not. Stay out. See round the corner. And you don't even come back in. We're staying away, so we're using the whole left-hand side and right-hand side of the road, both sides of the carriageway. Oh, here's up the slopes.
Got no fear, freedom's calling, can't be stopped.